Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Call of Duty Warzone failed attestation status. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, you need to check whether TPM 2.0 and Secure Boot are enabled on your PC. To do that, download and run the Attestation Security Wizard. Once it opens, make sure both TPM 2.0 and Secure Boot show as enabled. If either of them is disabled, you'll need to enable it in your BIOS settings. After you've confirmed that both features are enabled, open Task Manager by right-clicking on your taskbar and select Task Manager. Then, go to the Services tab, click on any service, and press the C key on your keyboard until you find cod.broker.service. If the service is stopped, right-click on it and select Start. Once it's running, leave it enabled. Now launch Call of Duty again. If TPM 2.0, Secure Boot, and the COD.broker.service are all enabled and running, the failed attestation status error should be resolved. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix Call of Duty Warzone failed attestation status. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.